Alright, you can see here Roland's coil, spring coil inside the filter media here. You can see that, how she looks down, all the way down. You can see the pink showing from the bottom, sitting on pink insulation. Okay, so we'll just scan this a little bit and lift it out here so you can see a little bit more on how it drops right onto the filter media. Okay. By the way, the sock was wet. We submerged it in the water so that you could see how it'll come out of the filter sock, at least when the filter sock is clean. After it's dirty, it's anybody's guess as to how it'll come out of there.